you deeper than I let anyone else before.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with one of the faves again, West Kiss. Same packaging as usual. Firstly, I'm seeing the wig in today's package, and I got a bunch of goodies. I got a bonnet right here. I got an edge brush and comb. Also got a branded West Kiss elastic headband, a pair of HD wig caps. I got a pair of lashes, and lastly, a drawstring West Kiss bag. Great for storage, love it. So now let's go ahead and get into today's bomb wig. Oh my gosh, I was so excited for this, guys. Listen, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. This is a pre-braided stylist wig, loose deep wave hair, and it's 13 by 6 lace fronts and knotless super invisible lace front wig. Guys, look at this. Soft. It looks it's so professional. Like, I love it. Pre-plucked perfectly. The styling is done beautifully. It's pre-bleached. Construction of the wig is at 10. All right, it has combs for security, 3 combs. It has adjustable elastic band on the inside and adjustable bands in the back. This wig is at 10. It's a medium size as well. Listen, man, one thing about West Kiss, they're gonna give you that quality. You see, these curls feel so good. The hair is soft and silky. It's bouncy. It's full. Guys, it's 26 inches long as well. I'm gonna put the specific density down below, so please check that. Look at that, man. Just look. Please look. Let me tell you something. This is one of the best pre-style wigs that I've ever received. Now, you guys have seen some great wigs, and I'm not saying that, you know, those aren't great. This adds to that number. I was adding a little bit of my lace bond spray just at the ear portion there. I removed the excess as well to let it sit around my ear portion better, as I showed you guys in the previous clip. But you see how invisible, how undetectable that lace is? Come on. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. West Kiss here, big up on yourself, because you guys, this wig eats. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So I was taking my time to just really lay the ear portion there. I did cut down the sideburns some, and I was feeling myself. I really was. And now I'm gonna finesse these swoops that they left out. So you could cut this down if you want. You could fully pull it back, or you could really just swoop it around. And I really wanted to swoop it around because it definitely adds to the style. It already has a nice little pre-curl going on with it, which makes it very easy to just kind of swoop towards the back. As you guys can see, it's so nicely done, man. They knew what they were doing. The wig is laid. The wig is laid. The lace quality is a 20 out of 10. And I know you can see a little bit of cast, so further down I did take my face powder to blend that really nicely. But West Kiss, they understood the assignment when they were creating this wig. This wig just made me feel so good to be applying something like this, and it's so beginner friendly. I was using gel, by the way, to finesse these swoops. Yeah, I was doing a little bit of gel, so in case you're wondering, that's what I was using. But absolutely no glue needed, okay? Super glueless, and I'm happy that I could give you guys a great glueless installation. It doesn't take much time to install. It really doesn't. Okay, just watch this tutorial. Just come back if you don't remember what to do, and just look at this tutorial and do it, and you see how easy it is. Like, who could tell you that you didn't go to the salon? Look at this now. I'm actually tapping in some of my face powder to further blend down the lace, and it looks so good. So good. Feeling myself, because what? Look at these curls. Look at my face. I'm hilarious. Yeah, and so I left the mid portion, absolutely no product there. Yeah, it's giving. This kind of wig just make you want dance. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. All the information on this wig is down below. And oh yes, it's super secure, so I had to give it a shake test. Super secure. Don't be scared that it's gonna fall off your head, okay? It's very laid. Yeah, love it. Let me know what you guys think. I was just taking this time to truly do any extra touches. As you can see, I didn't have much to do, but I was in complete awe. As I said, you know, it's super full as well. Like, you're no spaces through the hair. no spaces, and I feel like this wig would be perfect for a special occasion, hence this type of hairstyle. You know, probably you want to explore something like this, you don't have the money to go to the hairdresser, you can't necessarily do it yourself. Westkiss definitely has her back. You could buy this pre-styled. That's what I love about these wigs. Look at me dancing. No, that's what I really love about these wigs, because look at how detailed and well laid that is at the top, you know? Yeah, it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. I feel like purchasing this wig is a beautiful investment if you care about your appearance, at least, and I think you should. It says a lot, you know. Yeah, you can't go wrong if you have a wig like this. Simply put, you really can't go wrong. All the information on this wig is listed down below in my description box. The direct link to the wig, any deals going on, you know, go ahead, check it out. But Westkiss, you did that. You did that. You did that. Amazing. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. I hope you found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.